In this video, I'm going to talk about something very unique or specific issue I faced a couple of months ago. I got a client in February 2025, in the water damage restorations. They were operating in a small town. We started the SEO campaign after all the audit and all the research. They were getting literally the #1 ranking for all across the town, but still they were not getting more leads. They need more leads, but the area where they chose the address was a pretty decent area where the demand of the services was not that high. So many of you have faced the same issue during your journey. You got a client, you did an awesome job as a SEO, but still your client is complaining that they are not getting sale or they are not getting calls. It's not because of you failed at SEO to rank them at top spot of Google Maps or Google search page. It's because of maybe they have selected an area where the demand of the services they are offering is not that much high. In that case, I'm going to share you the strategy which is the best one, and I have also did some research and I also seen some great results just by implementing this strategy. What was the actual issue, how we identify the issues, problems, where I will show you the actual problem, the solutions we have find, and the exact results what we get from the reallocation. So if you look at here, our business was located in the Broken Arrow when we start working on, and then this is a very small area where my client's business physically located, and they want more leads from this area. The Tulsa is a big city nearby the Broken Arrow, and Broken Arrow is a what we can say sub-city of this area. So if you look at the distance between these two areas is around more than almost 8 to 10 miles. So in this case, it doesn't matter how good you are at SEO. If you really want to entirely dominate this city from this Broken Arrow, there is only one possible way what you can do, and the fastest way how you can do that, either you need to relocate your business directly from this area to nearby this area rented address, then go and suggest do edits in your GBP profile, re-verify your profile, provide the enough evidence that your business now you are working now from this area. That's the best way we can do, and we tried this method. If you look at here for the water damage restoration, you can see here our business was located in this Broken Area address. You can see nearby this area our address is somewhere around this area. Then if I do the same search for the Tulsa city, you can't see my business here, and if I go and show on the more businesses, my business is not showing here because of the proximity. You can see here we are ranking almost at 8 or 9th place, right? So we have the good opportunity. If we really want to compete with all of these big giants here, I need to relocate my business from there. So what are the exact steps you need to follow? The first one is just go to your profile which is located here. Just do suggest and edit the new address, whatever the address you have selected. Just try to make sure that your address should be as much as close to the city centroid. So this is how Google calculate the distance from the main city. If you want to get best ranking with this suffix, when some user search for using the city name, your business should be as much as close to this city centroid. Then let's say you have identified this place for the rented location of your business new address. Just get all the evidence, get the registrations document, the bills, the utility bills. Your business is now operating from this area instead of the old address. Then do the business verification using the new address, following the same method how we do the business verification. And once Google go and get all the details, they will approve your business, and you will see overnight that all the rankings for this area is now literally changed. You will start seeing that your business is getting best visibility in this area in the Tulsa just after the reallocation. So just make sure all the time, if you are working with any client in any niche, just make sure where they are located right now in that area. Just go and do the research about that area, about the audience of that area, about how many people are living there, and what's the actual demand of that service in that particular area. It's not a SEO fault, it's a fault of you are targeting the wrong audience. Basically your business is not located there actually where it should be, right? So hopefully you got the idea now that actually it's not about the SEO issue, it can be issue of your business location also. So make sure do the proper research, identify if you need to relocate to a nearby area, just let your client know about it, help him to relocate relocate the business to a new locations, and then he will start seeing the more leads coming up in the pipelines, and then you both can retain your relationship and for more time. That's it for today's video. It was a very quick and precise video about this problem. I have faced these issues like 3-4 times, and I keep reading more same type of issues on the Google help form. So I thought I need to go and create something which can be helpful for all of you. Subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.